is Dhwani, and today I am going to share why one should go for website maintenance contract. Internet is a dynamic world where technology and customer preferences change faster than anyone's imagination. To keep pace with these changes, website owner must hire professionally managed and experienced company to maintain a website on regular basis. Let us note down some important parameters we must look while we update or upgrade existing website. Most of the times, websites are built on certain platforms like WordPress, Joomla, PrestaShop, Shopify, Angular, Magento, and so on. If a new version has been introduced, then it should be upgraded for better customer experience, ease of managing website, and as a security point of view. Availing new features like bug fixing in old versions, plugin updates or compatibility, removal of unnecessary plugins, removing dummy content, uploading new products, shipping integration, payment integration, speed optimization, database optimization, virus removal, Google reCAPTCHA integration to avoid spam emails from website. With Opal Infotech, you can have many options for your website maintenance. If you have any queries regarding your website, you can find our details below in description box. You can subscribe to our channel for regular updates. Thank you for watching this video.